In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify pages. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your pages, how to update the content and which settings matter, so your changes look great and show up correctly on your store. First, sign into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store and that your account has permission to edit pages. If multiple tabs are open, stick to one to avoid overwriting changes. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then select Pages. This is where all your static pages live, like your About, Contact, FAQs, and Policy pages. If you don't see a page you expect, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Next, click the page you want to edit. This opens the page editor. You'll see the main content area in the center and settings on the right. Take a second to confirm you're editing the correct page by checking its title at the top. Now edit the content as needed. Use the rich text editor to add headings, paragraphs, links, and formatted text. Keep headings consistent for readability and SEO. To add images, use the Insert Image option, then add alt text to describe the image for accessibility. If you're pasting text from another source, clear the formatting to avoid inconsistent fonts or spacing. Keep your tone aligned with your brand, and break long sections into shorter paragraphs so readers can scan easily. Use the preview option to see how your changes will look on your live site before saving. Before you finish, configure the page settings. Update the search engine listing. Write a clear page title and a concise meta description that explains what the page is about. Check the URL handle, keep it short, readable, and consistent, and avoid changing it on established pages unless necessary. Choose the appropriate template if your theme provides options like a standard page or a contact layout. Set visibility to visible if you want the page live now, or schedule a specific publish date and time if you're planning ahead. When everything looks good, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were saved successfully, then open the page on your storefront to make sure everything appears as expected. If you don't see updates right away, refresh the page or try a private browser window. That's it. Log in, go to Online Store and Pages, select your page, edit the content, adjust the settings, and save. Repeat these steps for any other pages you need to update.